What is going on, everybody? Jesse here with MFC Garage. Today I'm going to tell you guys our upcoming lineup. Now, I'm going to run through this list real quick just to show you what we have in the line as far as production-wise and the products that we're going to be doing, with a brief little description of these items. First product is the UTILI-RACK. This is going to mount on your dash and give you the ability to mount the RAM mounts that usually are found to hold cell phones, PDA devices, GoPros, or anything like that. It's going to be a mounting source that you would find on the center of your dash and also give you a charging option as well. Second item is the UTILI-RACK. This is going to be an all aluminum rack that goes on top of your Jeep with a T-slot solution for the cross rails, capable of holding, let's say, a rooftop tent, any off-road gear, overlanding gear, and is going to be specific to the Jeep Cherokee. Our third item is actually going to be a first. No one has ever done this, and it is a subframe drop. Now, the front can't be dropped, but the rear can. So we're going to make a subframe drop system that allows you to lower the subframe, thus also lowering your differential. This will allow you to have a more consistent flat plane for your axles and the CV, so they're not at any angles. This allows larger lifts, and also, since there is no appropriate solution from RCV, who makes the front axles for the Jeep Cherokee for the rear, this is the next best thing. Our fourth item is going to be the rear differential skid plate. This will be able to be used with or without the rear subframe drop, because it'll be adjustable in height if you need it to be, and also will protect your differential because it is the only thing that is not protected on the entire drivetrain. Our fifth item, since we're on the topic of protection, is going to be armor for the front lower control arms. Straight bolt on, and it's going to be perfect because it'll protect those lower control arms since they are cast aluminum and can be easily damaged when off-roading. Our sixth item is also going to be a rear lower control arm skid plate armor. Now, there is no solution, and we've already been able to understand why there is no solution for a reinforced lower control arm for the rear. So this is your next best thing, and this will be discussed in more depth when the product comes out to discuss also why that rear lower control arm cannot be improved upon. Our seventh product is also going to be the OEM Plus grill hidden lights. We're going to have replacement grill inserts that allow you to put auxiliary lights in the outer portion, and then 3 amber lights in the centers. This is something that a lot of people have been doing, so we thought, why not make a product and a solution that is turnkey and very easy to use. Our eighth product is actually going to be the front passenger seat cubby console area that opens up, and inside there we're going to have a MOLLE panel design system that allows you to organize your products in there, as well as if you're a concealed carry, you can mount it in there easily and safely. Our ninth product is actually going to be the center console MOLLE mounting system. On the left and right of the center console, you're going to have an option for MOLLE systems for mounting solutions. Our 10th product is actually going to be something really cool and never designed before. The front seats on the backs of them will have a MOLLE panel designed specific to the Cherokee, and it'll be using no lanyards that all the other Universal ones do. It'll be a proprietary mounting system specific to the Cherokee seats and only found here with MFC. Our 11th product is actually going to be a MOLLE panel solution for the rear cargo area. It'll be capable of being used on all model years and is a direct bolt-on and no drill. 12th product is actually going to be a rear license plate modular mounting solution with a MOLLE integration. You can mount any type of auxiliary lights to the rear, as well as a CB radio antenna to get it out of the way. Our 13th product is actually going to be TRAILHAWK specific and be a D-ring shackle conversion. It'll be found only on the front hooks or the rear hook. Stay tuned. Our 14th product actually is for non-TRAILHAWKs. It's going to be a mounting solution for recovery hooks for the non-TRAILHAWK in the lower grill inserts. Stay tuned for that as well. Our 15th product is going to be an upgrade to our already popular OEM Plus fog light system. These fog lights are available in white or amber, but we said, why don't we design a system that allows you to choose white or amber? So there's going to be another solution that allows you to press the button a certain amount of times to switch between white or amber fog lights. I bet you thought I was gonna say number 23 with those fender flares. Well, keep your eyes peeled because I got something to blow your mind.